To see that video, click on the pop-out banner or follow the link in the description. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race over the half mile from 50 miles an hour. I'm going to call it in. Come on, Liam and Alex, get level with me. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, that Formula 1 car's on it. Here's the McMurtry gaining on me now. And here we go. Oh, wow. Wow. That was a lot of speed very quickly. Alex, I'm going to go to you first. You were gaining on me at first, but then you hit your speed limiter, didn't you?
Yeah, we've still got the Goodwood gearbox, so we stop out at 150. I was a little bit behind you then.
I took off super quick, but I looked across and I saw Liam. Liam, you were so close to me for a while.
Yeah, mate, to be honest, whatever street was running quite high downforce, and the customer friend where you just walked me.
One thing I will say, Alex, is I know that it will be possible to get a version of the McMurtry Speirling with a 190 mile an hour top speed. That's correct, isn't it?
Yeah, this one's baby brother is the Pure, and that has a 190 mile an hour top speed, that's correct.
Okay, so that'd be interesting. Should be as quick off the line, but have a higher top speed. Oh, we're gonna have to get it back for that.